everybody. Happy Valentine's Day. Oh my goodness. I'm here with my friend and collaborator, Lenny Pinna.
Hey everyone. Happy
And
Valentine's Day.
Oh my gosh. And we have a very special Valentine's Day.
Very fun.
Should we put a rating on this video?
Huh?
Should we put a rating on this video? I'm a little bit worried.
Is this rated NC-17? Not us, it's Lush.
Lush Valentine's Day. Get lucky. So I'm just going to peel this off. I don't even know what is in here.
Oh, remember sometimes we have to do this?
Yes, sometimes we have to look in there.
We have to open this up.
And see, I'm afraid.
What it's going to tell us. There's stuff to read. You've
You
hit the jackpot.
Oh,
Wait,
oh my goodness. Okay. Can you read?
Yeah, I think I could read this time. This Valentine's Day, we're stacking the deck in your favor, packed with juicy fruits, flirty fizz, and a whole lot of seduction. Whether you're playing solo or risking it all on romance, this box of treats will be your lucky charm.
Ooh.
So are you ready to take a gamble? Don't worry, there's no losing with this one.
Okay.
So these things are blasts from the past. What are these kinds
These are just like the products. So,
okay.
yeah,
What
yeah,
led to them? Okay, good. All right.
So I have my list here, and I think the first thing that's really like standing out.
Well, it's right on top there.
The eggplant.
Eggplant.
Clove bud oil, Mimosa Absolute. That's a bath bomb. So that's
Clove
going
and
to,
Mimosa Absolute.
Yes, it's going to fizz off a brilliant purple in the bathtub.
Mmm.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, isn't that pretty?
No.
They had one, I think one year they had like
A what?
A giant one.
A giant eggplant?
I don't remember Lush. Lush likes their eggplant.
Eggplant is actually my favorite vegetable.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I do.
I like
Parmesan.
eggplant parmesan,
Yeah,
boiled eggplants, fried egg, grilled eggplant.
Yeah.
I like it in a variety of ways.
That's actually cool. Well, you'll have to try that one.
But I'm sure this isn't about the vegetable.
Okay. Next up, we have Two of Hearts. This is a shower gel.
I like the smell.
Yeah, it smells great.
Smell of that.
It's clove. It's got a little clove in it. Okay,
right.
so this is, what does this have in it? Oh my gosh. It's rose and jasmine. I'm not sure if I'm going to like rose and jasmine. We got to try this out. I was hoping it was cherry.
Really?
I think that's a little florally for me.
What is this now again?
Shower gel. Oh, we forgot the towel. You had a towel sitting there, didn't you?
Oh, I took it.
Okay. You're just going to get messy.
Yeah, it's all right.
Yeah, it's just a little florally.
I'll just
florally.
something here. There we go.
Okay, next up. Oh, what is this? This is a jasmine cream bath melt. Oh my gosh, they really went heavy on the florals for this.
They're into
Gosh.
jasmine, yeah.
Yeah, I think I would have liked a little more. I like the eggplant. The eggplant's good. That's definitely floral. I think you tried the bath melt one time.
Mm-hmm. Oh.
Yeah, you melt it in the bathtub.
Well, soap. It melts a little bit. Is that right?
Yeah. Well, it's whether
like a cream bar.
So I think what you do is you melt it. You like take one section,
like chocolate. You take a melt
and
off.
and it's like an oil, like
right.
oil.
Yeah. Whether a long softening soak is reached or an afternoon of aromatic therapy. Okay.
Yeah. So we have that.
Maybe I'll try that tonight.
Yeah, you should. Next up, oh my gosh, Happy Blooming. Place your bets on soft skin perfumed with fruity almond, and floral ylang-ylang. This actually isn't too bad. I like that's not bad with the floral and the almond. That smells good. I like that.
There's a strength to it that I really like.
Yeah, this is a cream. These are so moisturizing. This is nice.
So is that what this is for?
Oh, this actually does smell really good. Yeah, it's just a body cream.
Oh,
basically.
I like this.
Yeah, this is nice. I've actually had fairly dry hands so far this year, so.
Me too. But
this is nice. I like this. This is good.
Yeah, it's a nice blend of that
I think this
floral with
extra.
All right.
Moisturize. Okay, so that's good. Okay, next up. Oh my. What is this? Oh dear.
Oh, we have to have a peach.
We have to have a peach. Peachy. That is a soap. A soap. A peachy soap. Good.
Is it peach?
Peach.
I mean, is the scent peach
Yes,
too? I
it is
hope.
peach.
I
Yeah.
hope it's peach.
I think it's peach. It smells like peach. Yeah, peach. It's fresh peach.
Eggplants and peaches. Driving down to my sister's in Atlanta.
You found eggplants and peaches?
No. Well, yes.
Okay.
Peach.
Okay.
In House of Cards, that series.
Okay.
Kevin Spacey's character was from Gaffney, South Carolina.
Okay.
And they show you.
Okay.
You know how they make water towers like into apple.
Oh yeah,
one's a
you
peach.
found a peach. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I drive past it every time I go down to Atlanta.
You should get a picture.
And it's in Gaffney, South Carolina.
That's very cool.
Yeah,
so mind you, the peach.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is odd. That is called Sex in the Shower. It's a little cheesy.
It's
It's
called
jasmine rose oil.
That's called hand on breast.
That's what it looks like.
Well, that's what. Come on, that's what that is.
It looks like an alien hand.
I know.
It doesn't look human. I'm sorry.
She was abducted.
This doesn't look like.
No, it doesn't.
Oh,
that is really weird. Oh gosh.
Okay, this is a little bit more on the. Well, I don't know.
Oh, it's suggestive.
It's funny because it's supposed to be flat. Ours is like.
What do you mean?
Well, doesn't it say flatter?
No, it says keep it fluffy. Right?
No, but look at the picture. Doesn't that one look a lot like more of a pancake?
Yeah. The rosebud.
Yes.
Oh
It's
my
rose.
God.
Oh my gosh.
Smells good.
Yeah. It's not my favorite box, honestly. I love Lush, but it's too florally for me. I just feel like there was.
Yeah, this is the.
I like that. I did like this. This was nice. The happy blooming in the hand.
Yeah,
there was just a little too much floral for me. I would have liked, I think, a little bit more cherry or strawberry.
Yeah, because I mean that would
have been nice.
Well, if you're doing peaches, eggplant.
Yeah. I think we had too many roses.
I think cherry. You're right. If we're gonna be sedative, be seductive.
Yeah, that's what I think. Because the Sex in the Shower is actually jasmine and rose and ginger.
This is a little bizarre.
That's a little bizarre. That's when Lush gets a little like, what? That was weird. So, we shall see, because we have the spring box coming in March, and then we'll have an Easter box. So I can't wait for Easter. Easter is one of my favorite times at Lush. They have like carrots and stuff, and like the golden egg. I love that. And they have a toffee egg with like glitter on it. I can't wait for Easter. Easter is like my favorite time. So anyway, I don't even know if Lush has their Valentine's Day. I was gonna look really quick. Up on the site, because this is obviously, I didn't say that, but it's the Lush kitchen box. Oh, they have marmalade sandwich. What's that? Oh, Paddington Bear collection they have now.
The what?
Paddington Bear collection they have. Actually,
that's interesting.
Oh, the Easter stuff is up.
Look, there's your egg.
There's my egg.
There's the rabbit.
Golden egg, the carrot. I said they had carrots. Sticky dates. And so.
Oh, right, I remember sticky dates.
Now, we're going to be getting a different Easter box because we have the Lush kitchen, so it's going to be a little bit different. But I don't even see any. I don't know if they sold out of Valentine's Day or what, but I don't really see anything. Oh, they have Year of the Horse. That's kind of cool. I need a Year of the Horse thing. Anyway, that's Lush for Valentine's Day.
All right.
So happy Valentine's Day.
There's the end of our Valentine's Day evening.
Yes. We'll see you guys later.
Ciao, everyone.
Bye-bye.
Bye.